Okay, let's talk about the diesel fuel. If you're fortunate enough to be driving a motorhome that's diesel powered, then you need a pickup point like this. This is going to be used to put into your main tank and therefore feed the fuel to the diesel heater. But let's say you haven't got a motorhome with a tank and you're putting it into a caravan like we are. Therefore, you need to supplement that with a diesel tank. Now, we said earlier it doesn't come in with the kit, so you have to buy it separately. Here's a tank here, 12 litres, very simple, inlet and air outlet for venting, and then a connection at the bottom that feeds to your diesel heater. This is the unit that we've fitted on our particular unit, RV. You can see it's been mounted at the front. It's on this particular side, so it works very well for us because this is the side that we've also fueled our car from. We've added a bash plate to help protect it, and this works for us, but other people might just choose to fit it in the center of their A-frame or maybe at the rear. It really depends on your RV where it works best. You do need to make allowances for the extra weight that you're carrying and how it's going to be bolted on. So what we'll now do is have a look at how that fuel gets from this tank underneath.